In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a file to PDF on your mobile device using Adobe Acrobat online. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since this process uses Adobe's online tools directly in the browser. If Chrome is not already updated, that's usually fine, but having the latest version can help everything load more smoothly. Once Chrome is open, head to acrobat.adobe.com. When the site finishes loading, sign in to your Adobe account. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. If not, just enter your account details and complete the login process. This step is important because Adobe's online PDF tools typically require you to be signed in before you can convert and download files. After you're inside the Adobe Acrobat online workspace, look for the Convert to PDF tool. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a shortcut tile, a cloud tool, or a utility widget on the page. Tap that option to open the converter. If the page looks slightly different on your device, take a moment to scroll or switch between the available tools until you find the correct one. Next, upload the file you want to convert. This can be an image from your gallery or a plain text document stored on your device. When the file picker opens, browse to the correct location, select your file, and confirm the upload. Keep in mind that larger files may take a little longer to transfer, especially on mobile data. It's a good idea to wait until the upload finishes completely before tapping anything else. Once the file has been processed, Adobe will generate a new PDF version for you. At this stage, review the result if a preview is available, just to make sure the correct file was uploaded and the conversion completed as expected. This can save time in case you need to try again with a different file. Finally, save the newly created PDF to your device's local storage. Tap the download or save option, then choose where you want the file to go if your browser asks. On some phones, the PDF may automatically download into your default downloads folder. After that, you can open it, share it, or move it wherever you need. That's it. You've successfully converted a file to PDF on mobile using Adobe Acrobat Online.